Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1998 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. One input terminal of high gain comparator circuit is connected to ground and a sinusoidal voltage is applied to the other input. The output of comparator will be A. Sinusoidal waveform, B. Full rectified sinusoid, C. Half rectified sinusoid, D. Square waveform. So what will be the right answer for this question? So before going for that one, we must know about the comparator operation. Comparator is nothing but op amp is under open loop or op amp with positive feedback. In two cases, operation amplifier can act as comparator. So comparator implies nothing but simply it is comparing both the inputs, and based on that one output may be at logic high or logic low level. Okay, so for example, this is going to be inverting terminal, this is non-inverting terminal, and it is inverting terminal, for example of op amp, and output may be at plus VCC or minus VCC based on the inputs present across this one. So this is V0 and it is V plus voltage at non-inverting, voltage at inverting terminal. V0 operation output will be at plus VCC, that is positive saturation value when, okay, otherwise if voltage at non-inverting terminal dominates over voltage at inverting terminal, then output will be at plus VCC, else V0 is going to be minus VCC if voltage at inverting terminal is more compared to voltage at non-inverting terminal. That is, which terminal is given with more positive voltage, that will be dominates. So based on that one, you may get either plus VCC or minus VCC. Okay, so now where it has given that one, this comparator, one input terminal is given with ground, the other input terminal is connected to the sinusoidal voltage. So there are two cases. Okay, this is first case, this is plus and it is minus, it is V0. First case is nothing but we can apply sinusoidal signal V input across non-inverting terminal and inverting terminal may be grounded. Second case is nothing but like this. You are applying input signal to the inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is grounded. So by that time V0. So in both cases, okay, say this is going to be the sinusoidal signal we are applying, we are going with only one cycle for this one. I am drawing only one cycle. Okay, so what can be the output for this one? So if you are going for this positive half cycle, all voltages are going to be positive during that positive half cycle, which are going to be greater than 0. So non-inverting terminal dominates during the positive half cycle. Whenever it is dominating, at that time the output of comparator is going to be plus VCC. So this is plus VCC during that portion over which non-inverting terminal voltage dominates over inverting terminal. And if you observe during the negative half cycle, all input voltages are going to be negative in nature, which are lesser than 0 volts because inverting terminal is connected to ground. So the voltages during negative half cycle are less than 0 volts. So inverting terminal dominates during negative half cycle. So the output will be at minus VCC. So you will get a square waveform like this. Okay, this is minus VCC. If you observe for this comparator, okay, this is positive half cycle and it is negative half cycle. During positive half cycle, voltages are going to be positive. Since this voltage is connected to inverting terminal, now inverting terminal is given with more positive voltage which dominates. Whenever inverting terminal dominates, output will be at minus VCC. So you will get minus VCC during the positive half cycle. Okay, and during negative half cycle, all voltages are negative which are connected to inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is at ground. So 0 volts is greater than negative voltages. So non-inverting terminal dominates over negative half cycle. That makes output to go towards plus VCC. So in either case, what you are getting is nothing but a waveform which is going to be looks like, which is square waveform. So output of high gain comparator is going to be always a square waveform. So the right option for this question is D. Thank you.